Hello sewing buddies, I'm Diane from Spencer Rugg Sewing Patterns, and today I'm here to introduce you to a new sewing pattern for the Starburn Crossbody bag. A super practical bag with an integrated cash and card wallet inside, a feature concealed centered zip pocket, darted corners to give a 3D spacious interior, with an adjustable and detachable strap, and it's domestic machine friendly. It's a full written pattern, illustrated with colour photography throughout, and provides full-size computer drafted pattern pieces which print onto A4 or US letter size paper. The skill level is moderately easy with a few challenging bits for skill building, and the included video sew along means that I can clearly show you every step of each process, whether you prefer written or video instructions. So I wanted a new everyday bag that I could use day and night, both as a crossbody or something I could drop into a larger bag or tote when I'm lugging more stuff around. And decided to design a bag that's both fun and functional and means that I don't have to carry a separate wallet too. So let's have a look at this lovely bag. As always, suitable for sewing on a domestic machine. It has a meticulously designed zip closing interior wallet with feature profile stitching. Plenty of room in there for cash and with credit card slots which each hold numerous cards. This was actually something I developed for my turnaround crossbody in 2017, but as I sold hardly any patterns in those days, I thought I'd incorporate it into this new little crossbody as it's such a useful feature. There are separate lining pieces for a super snug fit, and the bag turns through the front pocket at the end, so the inside remains just as neat and pristine as the outside. I just love this front concealed zipper pocket. A concealed centered zipper is something you might have seen on a jacket before, but it's seldom explored in the realms of bag making, so I decided it would be a great way to transform a functional front zip pocket into a focal point and elevate the entire design. And I've devised a quick and simple method to ensure a neat, even assembly. Having previously created numerous patterns featuring gussets and box bottoms to add depth to the bottom of a bag, I thought this time I'd add a darted bottom to provide a smooth rounded shaping and give a 3D spacious interior. The Starburn has discreet inbuilt carrier tabs with D-rings for use with its adjustable and detachable strap. This makes it easy to adapt to use as a clutch or use as a pouch in a larger tote for extra organisation. The strap carriers aren't just an afterthought either. They're bedded into the bag structure to add not just strength but also shaping to the bag sides. The crossbody strap can be made of webbing, or you can make with self fabric, or even use it with a bought leather shoulder strap. The neat main zip opens to give full access to allow the bag to open as wide as possible. It has a surprisingly spacious compartment inside, and of course the inbuilt wallet means you no longer need to carry a separate wallet, and so frees up valuable space within your bag for other necessities. I've been carrying my notebook, phone, Kindle, keys, hairbrush, and even a matching little pencil case. The approximate finished dimensions of the bag in centimetres first is 26 by 18 by 4, and in inches that's 10 1/4 by 7 by 1.5 inches deep. It's a good vehicle for printed panels too. I've kept the front of this one quite plain and added a printed panel to the back so that I can use it whichever way round the mood takes me. The video contains lots of extra tips too, such as adding these little zip pulls to zing your bag up. I also explain the reasons we do things as we go along, so it helps to build your bag making skills that you can then use on projects going forward. So let's talk fabrics for a minute. The Starburn pattern is suitable for a huge range of fabrics, from the lightest quilt cotton to the heaviest oilskin or cork. Have a look at the incredible tester pics to whet your appetite. Your choice of fabrics will personalise the Starburn and change it completely. It can look elegant, glitzy, unisex, fun, functional, whatever your sewing heart desires. I'm sending out a heartfelt thank you to all my dedicated sewing testers here. Your feedback hopefully ensures that every stitch, seam and detail of my patterns meet the highest standards. Thank you for being an essential part of this journey. Decorate the Starburn as you wish, make it with a crossbody strap for everyday use, or glam it up as a clutch. The Starburn Crossbody sewing pattern is available now as an instant download PDF on my website or on Etsy, or by clicking on the link below this video. There's a huge range of patterns on my website, so why not pop over there to www.spencerog.com to take a look. Sign up to my newsletter to be the first in the know with any new patterns, tutorials and general Spencer Og news. Join our helpful Facebook group to show off your makes, ask questions and find bag making advice. Subscribe here on YouTube for dozens of my free bag making how-to tutorials and lots of free 30-minute makes. All the links to my social platforms can be found in my bio. I hope you love the look of the new Starburn Crossbody bag. If you do, grab the pattern and let's go sew.